Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So yesterday we have seen this neutralization reactions. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now give the heading reactions of acid with metals. Reaction of acids with metals. Now, as I as we know, acid reacts with metal to form salt and water. Remember this formula: metal plus dilute acid, it gives salt plus hydrogen. This is, you can say, it is the formula: metal plus acid, dilute acid gives you salt plus hydrogen. Here the metal selected is magnesium. Suppose I have taken the magnesium ribbon in a test tube. यहाँ पे test tube है. The test tube is fitted with the rubber cork, and in that rubber cork a small tube called jet tube is fitted. Here is the small tube fitted in the rubber cork. Now you have to remove the rubber cork and add dilute acid. When the acid is added now, the magnesium and hydrochloric acid reacts, and you will see bubble of one gas. So that gas is nothing but hydrogen. These hydrogens burns with making the sound, or it is called hydrogen burns with making a small explosion. So in short, when the metal reacts with acid, we get salt. Here salt is magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is given out. This, what is the name of this salt? Magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is given out. In the similar way, here is the metal zinc. Zn stand for zinc. You can देखो यहाँ पे salt दिया है ZnSO4 zinc sulfate. Here we will write hydrogen H2. Salt is there, hydrogen. What? Which acid should be here? Which acid should I write here?
Sulfur.
No, यहाँ पे लिखो आप H2SO4. Write down here H2SO4. Sulfuric acid. The name of acid is sulfuric acid. H2SO4. Right, everyone? H written.
No, sir.
Every
Wait.
लिखो यहाँ पे लिखो H2SO4. H2SO4. और on this side it is H2. गैस लिखो H2 गैस. हो गया? Now see, now here the salt is copper nitrate and hydrogen gas is equal copper nitrate. So metal is copper. लिखो यहाँ पे Cu copper. Metal is copper Cu. Written metal is copper Cu, and acid is nitric acid. Write down यहाँ पे HNO3. H capital N capital O capital. HNO3. Acid is nitric acid HNO3. Written.
Yes.
इसी तरह से all the metals react with dilute acid. In this reaction salt is formed and hydrogen gas is given out. ठीक है? So this is about the reactions of metal with the acid, dilute acid. Next screen is reaction of acid with oxides of metal. Now take the metal oxide. Which are the oxides selected here? Check here. CaO calcium oxide, MgO magnesium oxide, ZnO zinc oxide, Al2O3 aluminum oxide. Now remember this formula: metal oxide react with acid to form salt and water. यहाँ पे salt है और यहाँ पे water है, instead of hydrogen water है यहाँ पे. So देखो, the first metal oxide is calcium oxide. The acid taken is hydrochloric acid. So calcium with chlorine. यहाँ पे salt लिखो CaCl2 calcium chloride. Write down CaCl2. Are you writing? अरे everyone is writing yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
लिखो यहाँ पे CaCl2 कैल्शियम क्लोराइड, और यहाँ पे लिखो H2O, कैल्शियम क्लोराइड H2O, यहाँ पे H2O. Now check here, this is magnesium oxide, you can write the name also, magnesium oxide. Here is the salt is magnesium chloride, so yeah, acid should be HCl. लिखो यहाँ पे हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड HCl. HCl, AQ लिखना. AQ का मतलब होता है aqueous solution, solution in water, AQ. Now here the metal oxide is zinc oxide plus HCl, zinc oxide plus HCl. यहाँ पे लिखो ZnCl2, zinc chloride, ZnCl2 plus H2O, ZnCl2 plus H2O, ZnCl2 plus H2O. Last Al2O3, aluminum oxide. This is called hydrofluoric acid. Hydrofluoric acid. Right here AlF3. AlF3 plus H2O. AlF3 plus H2O. I am not telling the balance equation. Yes. हाँ बोलिए. हो गया?
Yes.
By the way, remember one thing, I am not telling your balance equation, huh? And not necessarily that you should write the balance equation here now. Because first thing, to know the formula. If you don't know the formula, then there is no use of balancing the equation. So पहले आप फॉर्मूले ही लिखो यहाँ पे. जो मैं फॉर्मूले बोलता हूँ ना वही ध्यान में रखो. यहाँ पे लिखा मैंने AlF3 और H2O. The salt and water are formed by the reactions of acid with metal oxide. Therefore, metal oxides are basic in nature. Yesterday, I taught you that the metal oxides are basic in nature, na? Yes or no? Yesterday, we have learned the metal oxide. All the metal oxides are basic in nature because they react with acid. The substance reacting with acid must be a base, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
हाँ हो गया. आगे चलते हैं. Then reactions of acid with oxides of metal. Okay, आगे कुछ extra example है. Don't take this. Don't take this. Not needed. Then or reaction of bases with oxides of non-metal. अभी it is the oxides of non-metal. देखो यहाँ पे oxide of non-metal, it is carbon dioxide. Carbon is non-metal. Carbon dioxide is the oxide of carbon. It reacts with base. Here is the base, sodium hydroxide. The compounds are the salt Na2CO3 sodium carbonate and water Na2CO3 plus water. Now see here the base is potassium hydroxide and salt is K2CO3. Potassium carbonate salt है. So what should be here? यहाँ पे write down CO2. लिखो यहाँ पे CO2. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
CO2. Now यहाँ पे देखो SO3 का मतलब है सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड. SO3 सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड. राइट हियर NaOH. यहाँ पे देखो NaOH sodium hydroxide. NaOH. So you get the salt, sodium sulfate and water. So you tell me now what is the nature of oxides of non-metal. As I told, the oxides of metals are basic in बोलिए.
Acidic.
Yes, very good. They are acidic in nature because they react with base, na? Non-metal
Yes.
oxide reacting with base, therefore they are called acidic oxide. Now there are some questions there in your book. Write down the chemical equations for both these reactions. ये नहीं. Can we call Al2O3 and zinc oxide acidic oxide or basis oxide in these reactions? Define amphoteric oxide. Which are the reaction this? यहाँ पे आप इतना ध्यान मेरे को एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड क्या है, सी द डेफिनेशन. The oxides of metal that react with acid as well as base to form salt and water are called amphoteric oxide. इतना ही लिखो. Now there are some oxide which are number one Al2O3, aluminum oxide and zinc oxide. Now what is the characteristic of this aluminum oxide and zinc oxide? They are called amphoteric oxide. That means they react with acid as well as base to form salt and water. So the oxides which react with acid and base to form salt and water are called amphoteric oxide. लिखो यहाँ पे.
Done.
हो गया. So I have written the reactions of देखो aluminum oxide. Why aluminum oxide is amphoteric? Because this aluminum oxide react with hydrochloric acid to get the salt, aluminum chloride and water. So tell me here, what is the nature of aluminum oxide in the first reaction? What is the nature of aluminum oxide in the first reaction? Tell me. Hello everyone. This in the first reaction, aluminum oxide is reacting with acid. Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, here the nature of aluminum oxide is basic. In the second reaction, aluminum hydroxide is reacting with sodium hydroxide. Base के साथ वो react हो रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
So here is acidic. That means aluminum oxide shows both the nature. It shows both the nature, acidic nature as well as basic nature. It reacts with acid as well as base to form the salt and water. Therefore, it is called amphoteric oxide. Many times this question is asked, why aluminum oxide is amphoteric? Because aluminum oxide react with acid as well as aluminum oxide react with base to form salt and water. इसका मतलब aluminum oxide shows acidic nature as well as basic nature. Therefore, aluminum oxide is, बोलो,
Amphoteric acid.
एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड, एसिड नहीं, एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड. ये एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड है ना, सो एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड इज एम्फोटेरिक. हाँ, ये स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए, ये स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए. हो गया.
Yes.
इन द सेम वे देखो, आई हैव रिटन हियर जिंक ऑक्साइड. Zinc oxide reacting with hydrochloric acid. So what is the nature of zinc oxide here? Zinc oxide reacting with acid. What is the nature of zinc oxide?
Basic.
Basic. In the second reaction, zinc oxide react with base. So here it behaves as the acid na?
Yes,
And
sir.
everywhere you get the salt and water. यहाँ पे salt है zinc chloride, यहाँ पे salt है sodium zincate. In short, यहाँ पे zinc oxide, बोलो ना. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Who is repeating my statement? Who has repeated the statement? Who is that student? अश्विनी किसने किया था मालूम है?
No, sir.
Hello, who has repeated the sentence? Raise your hands. आर्यन आपने किया था? आर्यन आपने किया था? If the mistake is repeated again na, I will remove all the student here, all the, that means all the boys will be removed from the class. ठीक है? Getting it?
Yes.
Everyone is listening now?
Yes, sir.
If the same statement is repeated na, all the boys will be removed from the class. ठीक है? So take this screenshot. The next topic is reaction of acid with carbonates of metals. Reactions of acids with carbonate of metals. Check the framework यहाँ पे. Carbonate, salt of metal, dilute acid, one more salt, carbon dioxide and water. Can you name this salt? Can you name this carbonate salt of metal? Can you name this carbonate salt of metal? इसका नाम है सोडियम कार्बोनेट. What is the name?
Sodium.
carbonate.
Here is hydrochloric acid, one more salt, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. यहाँ पे लिखना है आपको. Sodium carbonate. Which acid is there? Here is salt, sodium sulfate. So tell me SO4 containing acid here. Salt में SO4, sodium sulfate ये salt है. So I need here acid which contain SO4.
H2SO4.
H2SO4. Write down here H2SO4. आप बुक में लिख सकते हो H2SO4 और यहाँ पे आएगा H2O. H2SO4, H2O. The name of this salt is sodium carbonate. Can you name this salt? CaCO3. Can you name this salt?
Calcium carbonate.
कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. ये एसिड है, नाइट्रिक एसिड. यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला लिखो कैल्शियम नाइट्रेट. राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला. लिखो Ca इन द ब्रैकेट NO3 ब्रैकेट कंप्लीटेड, उसके बाहर 2 लिखो. CaNO3 twice. How it is read? CaNO3 twice. CaNO3 twice. Calcium nitrate plus CO2 plus H2. बाकी remains the same. Plus CO2 plus H2. Completed?
Yes.
लास्ट में पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट प्लस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट प्लस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. यू गेट हियर पोटेशियम सल्फेट. लिखो K2SO4. K2SO4 पोटेशियम सल्फेट K2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. K2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. In short now, you have to remember this formula. Carbonate of metal salt react with acid. You get here what? One more salt of metal plus carbon dioxide plus water. You have to remember this particular formula. ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. हो गया ये क्लियर?
Yes.
आगे चलो. Reactions of acid with bicarbonate of metals. Reactions of acid with bicarbonate of metal. शायद आपके बुक में यहाँ पे वाटर नहीं लिखा है. देखो आपके बुक में जरा वाटर नहीं लिखा है ना, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नहीं लिखा है. चेक करो ये चार्ट.
सर लिखा है.
लिखा है. ओके. इन ओल्ड बुक इट इज नॉट देयर. आइदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और वाटर इज नॉट देयर. ध्यान में रखो, ये होना चाहिए ओल्ड बुक में. सो बाइकार्बोनेट सॉल्ट. Bicarbonate salt, it is called sodium bicarbonate. How to read this? Sodium bicarbonate. This is called potassium bicarbonate. This is sodium bicarbonate. Acid is taken hydrochloric acid. You get the salt sodium chloride plus CO2 plus H2O. Now you tell me, यहाँ पे nitric acid है. So which salt will appear here? Tell me. बाकी यहाँ पे CO2 और H2O कॉमन रहेगा. CO2 और H2O is common. Which salt will be here? लिखो पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट KNO3. लिखो KNO3 पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट. KNO3 पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट. हो गया?
Yes.
हाँ. Now here acid, right here लिखो acid, acetic acid लिखो CH3COOH, CH3COOH, CH3CO हो गया. The name of acid is acetic acid. So the name of this salt is called sodium acetate. The name of this salt is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate plus CO2 plus H2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay, guys, screenshot.
Yes.
Now salts. Ashwini, can you read this chart? Ashwini,
Yes, sir.
read the chart.
Salts are the ionic product of an acid-base neutralization reaction.
Okay.
Acidic salts are from a strong acid and a weak base. Neutral salts are formed from a strong acid and strong base. Basic salts are formed from a strong base and a weak acid. Give the acid and the base. The following salts are formed from the label.
Okay, clear.
Salts are
Clear.
acidic. Basic.
So we learned that the salts are the ionic product of acid-base neutralization reactions. देखा था हमने ये. During the neutralization reactions of acid and bases, salts are formed. Now, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, salts are said to be the ionic product. Ionic product NaCl, Na plus Cl minus. So ionic product. Salts are the ionic product of neutralization reactions. Now there are different types of salt. Acid salts हैं, neutral salt है, basic salt है. Salt का मतलब नमक नहीं होता है. नमक को हम कॉमन सॉल्ट बोलते हैं, ध्यान में रखो. जिसे हम नमक बोलते हैं ना, इट इज वन ऑफ द सॉल्ट. मेनी मोर सॉल्ट्स आर देयर. सो लेट अस टेक न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट फॉर एग्जांपल NaCl. दिस NaCl जो आप नमक बोलते हैं ना, ये नमक है NaCl. इसको हम कॉमन सॉल्ट भी बोलेंगे. What is the nature of this salt? It is neutral salt because it is formed from strong acid and strong base. समझ रहे हैं यहाँ पे? So
Yes.
if strong acid है, strong base है, और दोनों weak हैं, weak acid or weak base, then the salt form would be neutral. Take this screenshot. यहाँ पे देख रहा है SA का मतलब strong acid, strong base. Take this screenshot. हो गया?
Done, sir.
In the similar way देखो यहाँ पे एसिड स्ट्रांग है, बेस स्ट्रांग है, सॉल्ट इज न्यूट्रल. यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया है NaOH प्लस HCl, दोनों स्ट्रांग है. सो ये सॉल्ट जो तैयार हुआ न्यूट्रल है. अभी एसिड स्ट्रांग है, बेस वीक है. जो स्ट्रांग है ना उसके कैरेक्टर्स आएंगे, ध्यान में रखो. एसिड स्ट्रांग, बेस वीक, जो सॉल्ट रहेगा वो एसिडिक सॉल्ट. यहाँ पे देखो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज द स्ट्रांग एसिड, ammonium hydroxide is the weak base. So ammonium chloride will have the property of strong. So tell me the nature of ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride ये salt acidic है, basic है, neutral है.
Acidic.
Acidic because strong acid is used. अभी acid weak है, base strong है. The salt will be basic ना, जो stronger है उसका properties आएगा यहाँ पे. For example, ये acid है, acetic acid. Name of this acid is acetic acid. Name of this base is sodium hydroxide. Salt का नाम है sodium acetate. The name of the salt is sodium acetate plus water. और दोनों भी गए तभी भी न्यूट्रल आएगा यहाँ पे. एसिड भी गए, बेस भी गए, तभी भी सॉल्ट फॉर्म इज न्यूट्रल. सो ये इंपॉर्टेंट एक लर्निंग के लिए चार्ट है आपके लिए. टेक दिस चार्ट स्क्रीनशॉट, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Done, sir.
डन. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. न्यू पॉइंट्स वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशंस. नाउ द फिक्स्ड नंबर ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स प्रेजेंट इन अ क्रिस्टलाइन सब्सटेंस is called water of crystallization. On heating or sometime on exposing to the crystal substance to air, it loses water of crystallization and turns amorphous. Ionic compounds are crystalline in nature. These crystals are formed as a result of definite arrangement of ions. In crystals, some compounds, water molecules are also included in this arrangement. These waters are called crystallization. देखो यहाँ पे, देखो now here copper sulfate, the formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4. Does it contain some water molecules? ये कॉपर सल्फेट के साथ कुछ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं क्या? यहाँ पे देखो जरा अश्विनी, कॉपर सल्फेट के साथ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स है क्या? आर यू देयर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
टेल मी, हियर कॉपर सल्फेट के पास वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है कि नहीं? H2O का मतलब वाटर ना?
Sir.
So
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, how many water molecules are associated with copper sulfate? अरे कॉपर सल्फेट का फॉर्मूला क्या? अश्विनी, यहाँ पे कॉपर सल्फेट का फॉर्मूला क्या है? रीड दिस फॉर्मूला.
CuSO4.
और ये यहाँ पे रीड करो, डॉट 5H2 है कि नहीं?
Yes.
हाँ. So this 5H2O, these molecules are called water of crystallization. In the similar way, crystalline ferrous sulfate, उसको हम ग्रीन विट्रियोल भी बोलते हैं. फॉर्मूला FeSO4.7H2O. क्रिस्टलाइन वॉशिंग सोडा Na2CO3.10H2O. और क्रिस्टलाइन एलम, एलम मालूम है क्या? तुरटी, एलम, फिटकरी, क्रिस्टलाइन एलम K2SO4, L2SO4 thrice 24H2O. Now tell me, what does it mean by crystalline substance? क्रिस्टलाइन का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो यहाँ पे, compounds having definite geometrical shapes are called crystalline. For example, आपने नमक देखा है, नमक, that means that salt, नमक को हम common salt बोलते हैं. The crystal has definite shape. वो crystals को एक definite shape है, cubic shape है. इसी तरह से आपने शुगर के क्रिस्टल देखे होंगे, जो शुगर हम चाय में डालते हैं ना, वो शुगर. It is
Yes, sir.
available in the form of crystals. Crystal का मतलब होता है having definite shape. यदि किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल को एक डेफिनेट शेप है ना, तो उसको बोलते हैं हम क्रिस्टलाइन. और शेप नहीं है तो बोलते हैं उसे नॉन क्रिस्टलाइन, और बोलते हैं एमॉर्फस. नॉन क्रिस्टलाइन और एमॉर्फस. So there are many compounds which contain the water molecules.
फोन ले गया है, तेरा पढ़ाई चालू है. 245 का मेरा पढ़ाई है. 245 को
So in this compound, all these are the crystalline compounds. ये देखो, crystalline blue vitriol, ये देखो, ये है, this is the blue vitriol or copper sulfate. It has the copper sulfate crystals have definite shape, and this shape is because of this water molecules. This water molecule present in the copper sulfate molecule. In the same way now, this ferrous sulfate, it is green in color. The shape of ferrous sulfate molecule now is because of this water molecule. So sometimes the water molecule present in the compound gives the definite shape to the molecule. So these molecules are called water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. समझ रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
So what is water of crystallization? The number of water molecules present in a crystalline substance. जो water molecule crystalline substance में है, the number of water molecules present in a crystalline structure is called water of crystallization. Take this screenshot.
Done, sir.
Okay. So this is called water of crystallization. ये फॉर्मूला आपके बुक्स में है, लेकिन आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं। ये सब फॉर्मूलेज आपको लर्न होने हैं, सब फॉर्मूलेज लर्न होने हैं। टेक दिस स्क्रीनशॉट।
डन सर।
हो गया। नाउ ये देखो यहाँ पे, when the copper sulfate is heated in a test tube, यहाँ पे मैंने क्रिस्टलाइन कॉपर सल्फेट ले लिया है। Now this copper sulfate, if it is heated ना, it will lose the water molecules. water molecule जो उसमें थे ना वो निकल जाएंगे, and now it will turns white and amorphous. amorphous का मतलब अभी वो पाउडर बन जाएगी, अभी वो क्रिस्टलाइन नहीं है। Now that molecule doesn't have any shape. So in short, when these water molecules were removed, जब यदि ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकलते हैं ना, तो क्रिस्टलाइन नेचर नहीं होता है, वो क्रिस्टलाइन टर्न्स इनटू एमॉर्फस, क्रिस्टलाइन टर्न्स इनटू पाउडर फॉर्म। ध्यान में रखो, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। द नेक्स्ट कंपाउंड ये आ रहा है यहाँ पे। बाय द वे, आफ्टर 1 minute और सेशन विल बी स्टॉप, यू हैव टू रिजॉइन। समझ रहा है?
यस सर।
एक बार सिर्फ ये पढ़ो, सिर्फ पढ़ो, ये फॉर्मूले पढ़ो जरा, 1 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगा। Who will read this formula? Raise your hands. Sumit Gupta, read this formula.
Yes, sir.
हाँ आर्यन रीड करो।
First, crystalline to vitriol.
Blue vitriol, CuSO4.5H2O, बोलो।
Dot 5H2O.
हाँ
Second,
आगे चल, आगे।
crystalline